Every day the birds come to play. Their beautiful feathers brighten my day. With cheerful chirps they hop around, pecking at seeds scattered on the ground. Their playful antics bring a smile. Watching them is worth the while. Grateful for nature's beauty near, these birds bring joy that's clear. I look forward to their visits so sweet. In my backyard they make my heart beat. Every day these birds bring delight, a touch of peace, a beautiful sight. So thankful for their presence here, my backyard friends always near. With beautiful birds around, life's a song. In their company I truly belong. I look forward to their visits so sweet. In my backyard they make my heart beat. Every day these birds bring delight, a touch of peace, a beautiful sight. So thankful for their presence here, my backyard friends always near. With beautiful birds around, life's a song. In their company I truly